Yes.
Oh my God.
Hey y'all. That's my roommate. We going to the beach. And Keisha back there.
It's a beautiful day.
Exactly.
Y'all make sure y'all get y'all hater blockers because it's almost that season.
Yep. So I guess we vlogging, doing a little vlog or something today. So
We'll see if this get uploaded.
exactly, because we done try to vlog a million times and it never work out. So we gonna see. But I guess we'll talk to y'all once something go on.
It's been a minute, y'all, so I don't even know how long it's supposed to be, how close it's
Parallel parking 101.
I can't do that shit. I'm gonna put everybody's car up.
Yeah, but that's the car that got the little hit and run. That's my little outfit of the day, you guys. Crop top, some shorts, and yeah, and that's Keisha outfit. Too late. And that's Tati outfit, a shirt.
Exactly.
So y'all, we at the beach or whatever, and these two little rag dogs. Oh, I've been so like we gotta. I don't do dogs at all.
They got some things walking around feeling like they human or something.
Exactly. I gotta put the video in when Tati sent it to me because I was too scared, and I don't do dogs at all. Y'all, look what we did. Put our YouTube channel. Subscribe. Life with TNK. Look at this. These are the type of people y'all gotta watch out for. Because what type of person comes to the beach with full clothes on? Looking for something to get. Over here. Salmon Keisha over there. I can't put my feet back in the water because it's just too cold. Y'all, we leaving the beach. And most of my stuff got wet. And I gotta hold it. I'm upset. Keisha's jacket almost soaked. Carpool karaoke. I always wonder that because, like, how y'all don't see the camera in y'all face?
Y'all want to get something to eat or something?
The only thing I can afford right now is Wendy's or McDonald's.
What was you thinking? The only thing I can afford is what Tim said too. But I mean, if y'all want to go anywhere expensive, I can pull a few strings. But shit, we all broke at this point. I'm just tired of being broke. Like,
Exactly.
ah, fuck me, shit. Hang on, just switch my phone. I'm so sorry, y'all.
Oh, I gotta bleep that out.
really want some seafood.
This is so good. If I could quit my job and fuck you all this shit, I would. Yeah, I would. If I could quit my job and fuck you all this shit, I would. It's so good.
I'm so dead.
If I could quit my job and fuck you all this shit, I would.
Okay, let's see.
Y'all, we currently just made it inside McDonald's. As y'all probably can tell, about to eat, period.
Hey guys. Steven. Hey guys.
Today was a fun day, I guess.
It was. It was. Even though the ocean almost washed us up, but I really just thought it was a tsunami just coming, and I was just ready for it. You know? Just to see it rising out there, everybody going crazy, running for their life. It's kind of fun.
Y'all, she over here trying these nasty beans.
Cause these are the ones I ain't never tried. These is dirty dishwasher, a birthday cake, and toasted marshmallow, a stank bug. I tried a birthday cake one. If it's nasty, I ain't trying that one now.
That's the dishwasher?
I taste the soap and
Oh yeah, I ain't trying that one.
what the fuck?
What is that? Yeah, we finna go dance or whatever. Doing something. Yeah, we finna do that or whatever. Say hey to the vlog.
What's up? Oh my god. I was like, what if it get cold on us now?
So y'all, we finna work out, dance or whatever. Tati brought her TV out to the living room, so we just finna get it on. And we about to just close out this little vlog because we ain't about to do nothing else tonight but dance. So
Oh, well, guys,
I hope you guys like
comment.
and subscribe. And you got anything to say?
I'll be back.
Exactly. So we'll see you guys in the next video.